How to fix YouTube videos loading issues. It's super frustrating when your favorite videos won't play smoothly. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube videos loading issues so you can watch without interruptions. First things first, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection is often the main reason for YouTube videos loading issues. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or switch the mobile data if Wi-Fi is acting up. You can also try restarting your router to improve connectivity. Next, clear your browser or app cache. Over time, cached data can cause performance issue. On your browser, go to Settings, find the Clear Browsing Data option and clear the cache. On a YouTube app, go to your phone settings, find the app and clear cache for it. Make sure your browser or YouTube app is up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with YouTube. Check for updates in your browser settings or app store and install any available updates. If videos are still loading slowly, try lowering the video quality. Tap the settings icon on the video player and select a lower resolution. This reduces the data load and can help the video play more smoothly, especially on slower connections. Extensions, ad blockers or VPNs might be causing conflicts with YouTube. Try disabling them temporarily to see if it resolves the issue. In your browser, disable any unnecessary extensions, and if you are using a VPN, try turning it off to see if the loading improves. Finally, a simple restart can sometimes do wonders. Restart your device to clear any temporary glitches that might be affecting YouTube's performance. And that's how you can fix YouTube loading issues. With these tips, you should be able to enjoy your videos without any annoying interruptions. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.